This drawing is so cute, and it's super easy to follow. There are lots of different bears, like big brown bears, black bears, icy polar bears, and even the cute panda bears. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun drawing ideas. Some bears, like polar bears, are so big that they can weigh as much as a small car. Bears are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat. They munch on berries, fish, insects, and yes, sometimes even honey. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Bears have a super strong nose. They can smell food from very far away, which helps them find yummy treats in the wild. Wow! Isn't it amazing how this drawing comes together step by step? Baby bears are called cubs. They learn important life skills from their moms, like how to find food and stay safe. Each step makes this drawing even more adorable. Don't you agree? colors you love and make it uniquely yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.